I guess tomorrow looks like I'm getting bolts for the start motor today. Epic fail.
No, it's
Epic fail.
could be rusty in there too.
So that one's not threaded in either?
No, it did, but then it got hard.
Well, we just gotta cross thread it in there. You want me to take it and chamfer it?
Sure.
Let me go chamfer it. Oh, hey, what's up, brother? Just chamfering some stuff. Didn't even know you were there. So it is the right thread. Dylan can't give me any lip about it being the wrong thread because clearly it works.
Goes in now. No problem.
Huh?
Goes in no problem now. I love how you got a flashlight, but I don't have a light.
You want a light? Okay. Now we'll get no flashlight even though I'm crippled. Actually, you go. No, I'm just kidding.
There ain't no way I could do that with a cigarette might come out.
I have a feeling I'm gonna end up rebuilding that starter motor.
Whoa. Not there, dude.
What do you need?
You want to try it?
No?
Pretty easy for you to do.
Easier for you. Do you want my wrench set? It'd be really easy just to have it right here instead of making this fucking cripple.
No, I just need the socket. Yeah, I need the socket for those sides. Which is like 14. Yeah, I tightened it. I kept tightening it, and then I heard them go king, like the whole crankshaft went that way. And I was like, can we do it too much?
Nah, I'd be alright. One of three things is gonna happen. It's gonna strip the teeth, it's gonna crash into the flywheel,
No,
or it's
like-
gonna work.
It's a wedge in the flywheel.
Wedge in the flywheel?
Yeah.
Well, it's probably just gonna spin.
Alright,
Like
okay, I
sparks.
think that's good enough.
Good enough?
Battery enough. But I gotta hook this up, right?
Yeah, you just gotta put the positive cable on. That's it, just the main power. Nothing else.
Is it? Oh no, it's this one.
The big thick red one.
Is that go right here? Yeah. I hope you can't even. It's hard to reach. I'll get all the wires out of the way. Alright. Oh wait, I didn't put the red one on. It's this one.
The big red one, yeah. Just put the ground on. Just make sure it doesn't touch anything ground-wise. Moment of truth here of just total pure chaos, or
A little higher.
it's gonna work. Not really sure what's gonna happen. The starter motor's not even touching the block. The starter motor's not touching the block.
Yeah, I know. Because I can't do anything.
I had it touching the block earlier.
Oh, I was cranking it until the crankshaft went. Because it's pushing against the teeth. It's touching.
Isn't it?
What I was
Give it a little bump, see what happens. It's not even freaking mounted to the block. Hit the button.
There you go.
Why me? See what happens. It's not doing anything.
It's not turning it?
Nope. Let me see if I can get there freaking. Let me get where you're at and I'll try to put that starter motor in. Alright, let's go.
It's like a chipmunk. Little squirrel. Oh, there it goes.
Hobble my freaking crumple button here.
It's not summer yet. Yeah, wait till February.
Mashing it into place.
You'll hear the crank go.
Oh no, it's definitely fucking to the block now, Dylan.
No way.
Yeah.
You're tightening it that hard?
Yeah. Oh, it's gotta be tight, dude.
Yeah, but it's hitting something.
Oh no, it's something bent for sure. Like I think it's a lip on the oil pan. I don't think I cut the starter motor out enough, but hey, it's close enough.
I'm just worried if it stays engaged with the fire.
Yeah, well then we pull it out. Ow. Can you go find me some washers?
The washers, where are they at?
They're in that. You know where that blue bin is where all my nuts and bolts are?
Yes.
On top of there's a plastic trays. One should say 3/8. Grab me like 4 washers that fit that.
4 washers, 3/8.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. You're whatever you are. Yeah.
Really?
So where are they probably have to rebuild this one or go to Start AutoZone and see what else they have. Yeah, Mr. Sketchy McSketchers things.
Yep. Unless you could take the front nose cone off and mount it for them.
I can rebuild it. I don't fucking want to.
We gotta put it in the crate today.
Mm-hmm. Because the other starter don't work. The starter that we pulled out of it don't work, and the starter we put in it is the only thing that might work.
Welcome to Sketchy Motors.
This thing is.
I don't understand why his battery's so small.
Oh, but it started the boat before. Should do it again.
Yeah.
You ready for it to not work?
Watch the teeth flying.
All right, you ready?
Watch the teeth flying.
If this don't work, we're washing our hands now. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Oh. I saw sparks.
Wait.
But it almost turned the engine over. Yeah, Wade, that's not a rock starter.
The fucking huge starter, Jesus.
We're most likely gonna have to send this to Pacific Auto Electric and have it part rebuilt. Or find one at.
Or make it a
The
hand
zone.
crate. A hand crate in.
Yeah. What do you wanna do?
I don't know, we'll find one at the zone. If we can find one at the zone.
Cool. Well, you're gonna take this $50 one, sketchy thing back.
go to the boatyard.
Take this. Take this.
That's the old one?
And then
I'm gonna leave this inside and I will be back tomorrow.
oh, I can rebuild these all day long. They're the easiest ones.
Yeah, but dude, it's that with power on it for how long?
It's literally just we put new armor, what are those things called? Brushes in it.
How high do you think
Clean
you
it
got?
up. Work.
The brushes are probably just shot.
It was like starting when it was hooked up to power, so however long it was hooked up to a battery.
All right. Well, we're not putting a starter in this tonight. Day 2, fail.
New motor.
New motor, LS swap, twin turbos.
Let's just do a new motor. I'm gonna have to worry about the starter issue.
Yeah, we'll just get a new
motor in here.
Dude, let's put a compound twin turbo Cummins in it.
Let's get a little
roll
cheaper.
coal on
Let's
the
get a little
freaking-
cheaper.
Roll coal.
All right, we'll do a 4BT Cummins with a compound turbo setup.
Honda engine.
VTEC, right?
Let's see if Raph can lend us the lawnmower.
8-barrel carburetor.
Right?
3-barrel diesel.
All right, guys. I'm washing my hands tonight. Day 2, epic fail.
Yeah, that.
Day 3,
It's only like
the right starter. Hopefully.
so much torque.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share to your friends. All right.
Lost like usual.
Yep. So today, wait, don't record like that. Record like this.
Oh.
It's YouTube.
Oh
There,
my
that
God.
works. All right. So today we're gonna time the car because Wade was flooring it yesterday and I heard some little knocking. So it wasn't like knocking. It was like a spark knock. You know what I'm saying? So since we can't put a starter in a boat, we'll see if we can time a Corvette.
Fiberglass.
Everything's fiberglass. Wade.
Hmm.
Why is everything fiberglass? I want the phone. Good enough. Faraday cage 2.
Battery's on the other side.
I know, but number 1's over here. Let's at least pull this off. You're missing the rubber bushing for your throttle. It's hot. You couldn't have brought it to me cool?
Nope. It's a hot car.
Everything has to come off. Yeah, that's really hot. Ow, 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 ow. Son of a bitches. Yoink. Alright. Oh. Okie dokie. So, artichoke. Would you mind going over there and doing me some solids? Put it in your pocket. You have to start the car anyway. Just put it on the seat or something. Ugh. We got power. Let me grab my 9/16. Need to plug this on something. Is there anything over there that looks like you can just shove that onto like this?
No.
Let me go get a freaking plug. And I gotta get a 9/16 anyways.
His name is Hop Along.
I remember when we started this shit. It's crazy how long ago that was.
I just realized filming is really stupid.
Yeah, isn't it?
It's fucking annoying.
Kind of. Yeah, I know you gotta be like nonchalant about it more than all the time.
But somebody wants to be YouTube famous, so you know what?
Jeez, I think he was talking about making putting the starter on a series. And I was like,
Oh look, here comes Hop Along.
It's the fastest way of transportation today. Here, watch out.
whoa.
Alright, here's a plug for that vacuum line.
Yo,
See, is the distributor loose at all? No.
It barely fits.
Really?
Barely.
It's just enough. Alright. Hey! Hey! Don't you ever do that to me again. Alright.
That's what's funny.
You want to start the engine? Yeah, you do. Go gadgets. Well, if I'm not mistaken, the timing is at 2 degrees.
Yes.
Remember how I told you yesterday when you were flooring it was spark knocking? It needs to be like at 6, 8, maybe 10. So if we take this guy, we move it. Why did it stop? Oh.
Give me the fucking light. Goddamn.
I don't need it on there. Yeah, there you go. Seth, we gotta. That's why it's running so hot too. We'll throw it to 10. couple more.
What do you think about the fuel system?
So, timing, definitely off. Throw the vacuum line back on. Should never have any more issues. Shouldn't even overheat. But that's why it was overheating. It was fighting itself, firing it like top dead center, like right on top dead center, 0 degrees. Multiple with major, what do you call that? Like major friction.
Major Newsom.
Yeah, major new stuff. You want to disconnect this?
I do. Yeah,
Shut your car off.
Yeah.
You can already feel it running forward. Cool.
Oh fuck! I never hit record.
Oh man. Let's do it all over again. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed your bonus round of Corvette. It is timed, it is no longer on 0 degrees. So, thanks for watching.